Hi there. The engineers, educators, designers and entrepreneurs at RobLink have some Kickstarter experience under their belts and are back with a new robotics tool. They built Zümi as an educational tool for teaching artificial intelligence and self-driving automotive technology. RobLink is running this Kickstarter campaign to fund their first round of production parts after doing prototype and playtesting in California and Korea. Zümi is built from a Raspberry Pi Zero and is compatible with Arduino as well. The system contains a gyrometer, accelerometer, 2 DC motors for propulsion, 6 IR sensors, a buzzer, and a Pi cam. Using Zümi can teach robotics, mapping and navigation, machine vision, self-driving decision-making, machine learning, and Python. TensorFlow and OpenCV work with the system and are currently used by self-driving car engineers. Examples on the campaign page show the bot calculating optimal distances to a point, identifying objects and making stop-and-go decisions, gesture recognition, and face recognition. Beginning programmers can use the integrated development environment already in place and available as a web-based tool, while more advanced programmers can use TensorFlow or Keras to write code. Zümi looks like a nice addition to the already crowded field of robotics and programming education tools. Emphasizing the artificial intelligence and self-driving car angles will help to differentiate them. Thank you watching. Bye.